both of these two indicators shows a point of reversal to turn to bullish, and also the chart shows a bullish trend upwards. So in this video, we are going to study how to use these two indicators to determine whether they are reversal in trend, the chart turning bullish or even bearish, and how we can plan to stimulate out the chart pattern using our trading strategy to gain profit in the trading world. So let's start. As a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. Let's start. First of all, if you want to plot your own graph on TradingView, I have left the description down below in my description. You can check it out and start plotting your own TradingView graph. So in this video, I'm going to use RSI and also MACD to determine when they are reversal in trend. As you can see, at this area, it shows an increasing in momentum for bullish momentum. And also for the RSI index, it also shows an increasing in RSI to be more buying momentum of increasing. So in the graph, it also shows a volume increase spike as in the graph. So basically we'll plot this out. So based on these three factors, we can start to plan a trade position. As first, the graph shows a bullish momentum and change of momentum. So basically you can just plan for your long position. Make sure that your risk reward projection that you plan is more than one so that you can have a more reward bias trade. So for example, if you want to plan for a position, you can just plan and the risk you indicate back to previous chart. So basically when plotting out, for example, you want to refer back to previous volume, you can just customize the previous volume. So for example, if you have no support resistance to refer for previous, you can open out this indicator as volume profile. As previous, it doesn't show any support resistance to refer out, but it is a quite far area. For example here, and it shows the risk ratio for 1.98 if we refer back to previous support resistance. And this is a reward bias trade as it shows 1.98 means that our reward is 1.98 more higher compared to our risk, and we can plan for our position for a short-term trade if we are using for this trading strategy. So we will find out another point that shows a very strong reversal. For example, at this area, first we need to plot out first. This area shows increasing in volume, and also it shows increasing if momentum. Basically it turns from bullish into bearish. And lastly, for RSI index, it shows a more oversold reading and also increasing selling momentum. So basically based on these three, we can plot out for our chart for a short position. And a short position, we can start off maybe here. We can customize our support and resistance based on previous chart as our reference, and also we can take for previous chart to plan for our trade. So basically, if you want to plan for a trade referring to previous support and resistance, we can see that our risk reward is 2.32 compared to our risk, and we also can plan for this short-term momentum if we want to plan based on these three signals. First, we have reversal of high volume of momentum of selling position, and also we have our MACD. The momentum is showing a more bearish momentum, and lastly the RSI index showing increasing in RSI index. So yeah, basically this is how you can plan for a short or even a long position based on your strategy, and you can backtest this strategy using both of these two indicators. You can customize the setting of these two indicators by going to the indicators tab, and if you want to have a more sensitive indicator, you can lower down the value that suits for your strategy. And also you can customize, for example, the source of candlestick for our data to indicate for open, high, low, close, or even other settings. And also for RSI, it also can be customized. You can customize the inputs maybe to have a more sensitive input if you are trading for a lower time frame. A shorter time frame of 5 minutes or even 1 minute, you can lower down this so that it can be more sensitive for your trading strategy, for fast in fast out trading strategy. And also, if you want to study out the indicators description and functionality, you can just go to about this script and you can study out for both of these two indicators before you plan for any trading strategy using these two indicators in your trading strategy for trading. So yeah, make sure that you backtest your indicator first before you try out trading in the real trading world. So basically this is about this video. Thank you.